Flat Earth theories propose that the Earth is not a spherical object but rather a flat, disc-like shape. These ideas run counter to overwhelming scientific evidence that supports the Earth's spherical nature. The plausibility of flat Earth theories is very low due to several key reasons. 1. Empirical observations. The curvature of the Earth can be observed through various phenomena, such as the way ships disappear over the horizon or the changing position of constellations as one travels north or south. Additionally, during lunar eclipses, the Earth casts a round shadow on the Moon, which is consistent with a spherical shape. 2. Gravity. The way gravity works on Earth is consistent with a spherical mass. Objects are pulled towards the center of the Earth, which creates the sensation of down. The distribution of mass in a spherical shape best explains these observations. 3. Satellite imagery. Satellite images and space missions consistently show a round Earth. Various satellites orbit the Earth, taking images from different angles that clearly depict its curvature. 4. Circumnavigation. The ability to travel around the world in a continuous path, both eastward and westward, provides strong evidence for a spherical Earth. If the Earth were flat, circumnavigation would be very different. 5. Flight paths. Airplane flight paths and navigation are based on the curvature of the Earth. Long-distance flights take the shortest routes over the spherical surface, which would not make sense on a flat Earth. 6. Earth's shadow on the Moon. During a lunar eclipse, the Earth's shadow is always round, regardless of where the Moon is in the sky. This phenomenon can only be explained by the Earth being a spherical object. 7. Gravity's effect on ocean tides. The gravitational pull of the Moon and the Sun causes ocean tides. The way tides behave and their timing across the globe are consistent with a spherical Earth. 8. Photos from space. Numerous photographs taken from space by astronauts, satellites, and space probes show the Earth as a spherical object. Flat Earth theories often rely on misconceptions, misinterpretations, and selective use of evidence to support their claims. They tend to dismiss or discredit the vast body of scientific research, observations, and measurements that support the Earth's spherical shape. The plausibility of flat Earth theories is extremely low within the scientific community, as they are not supported by any credible evidence and are contradicted by a multitude of observations and experiments.
Thank you for watching the video. To watch more valuable videos like this, please subscribe the woxiwo channel and press the bell icon. And if there is anything you need to know, tell us. I will certainly provide information about it. Okay. Thanks again.